Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As it is my sole mission to keep things very random, today we'll be cooking. So this is called Mamee Chef, which is the premium version of their normal noodles, and we will try to cook this and show you guys how it looks like throughout the cooking process. I have tried this in the past before. It's quite nice, and it does taste better than a normal average packet of cheap noodles. So this is what it looks like inside. And the funny thing is that if you can try and see here that it's dented a bit right here, and that is because this thick packet goes where that space was. So I find that quite funny. So in this condiment packet right here, we have the first packet is a packet of sauce. This is where the spice and the true flavor of the soup base comes from. Okay. And then you have two more packets. This is for the this is a bit like a milk powder inside, so it will give the soup a bit of a milky consistency. And this blue packet is the what you can see here, the chilies and the dried vegetables, but I usually find just chilies inside. So let's get started. So this is our bowl, and this is our first packet. So let's get it cut. So this is supposed to be the dried vegetables. And this second one, this yellow packet one, should be the milk powder. Let's dump it in. And it really was the milk powder. And finally, we have the funny sauce. I can tell you for one that without this sauce, the noodle will not come out nice at all. This is the main part of your noodle. So let's get it cut in. And it comes out real thick. It's got a very strong smell to it, but then we are eating some seafood flavored noodles, so this is to be expected. Quite a lot of goo. Get some water. Pour in the water until it's just about covering the noodle. Now I know it might look gross right now, but after it gets hot, it will be very different. So I'll see you guys when this is finished boiling. And while we're waiting for the noodles to cook, I just wanted to show you what kind of weather we're having. It's some nice rainy weather. Very cloudy. And it's basically the best time for noodle cooking. Okay, so guys, the noodles have been cooking for a good 3 minutes now, so let's remove the lid. The noodles are just about done, so I will see you guys when the noodles are fully cooked and when I'm trying it out. So, I guess it needs a little bit more time. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, and the noodles have been cooking for about 5 minutes now, and it's perfectly cooked. So one thing I would like to talk about this consistency here of the noodle is very different from what you normally get, because usually when you cook instant noodle, the noodles are like either very soggy or very crunchy. This strangely is very stringy when you bite it, and the smell, there's a lot of citrus going on, very aromatic and very milky. So that's it. So that's the mamee instant noodle from their chef selection, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.